Hi everyone. So in this video, we will learn how to take screenshot of your code in VS Code. So this is a screenshot that I have taken. So by the end of the video, you will learn how to take this sort of a screenshot right in the VS Code. So let's go to VS Code. As you can see, I got a very basic JavaScript code right in front of me. To take a screenshot of this piece of code, we need to install extension Codesnap. Let's go to File, Preferences, Extensions. Here, type Codesnap. You can see there are multiple extensions with the same name, but we need this first one. Close it. Also hide the sidebar like this. To use Codesnap extension, you need to go to View, Command Palette, and type here Codesnap. Click on it, and you will get this sort of a window. Now, to take a screenshot of this piece of code, you need to select the code like this, and you will see the preview on the right hand side. Simply click on this and save the image. Let's give it a name screenshot. Now click on it and you will get this sort of output. In case you want to customize the output of your screenshot, you can simply go to File, Settings, and here search for Codesnap, and you will get all the options that you can utilize to customize the output. For example, we are not getting line numbers here, so if I'll select this option, go to Codesnap, select my code again, I will get line numbers. In a similar way, you can change the background color, box shadow, the padding, and all other options. I hope you got the point how it actually works. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.